Right. Stage 6. So introducing a new variation of the abs. Every 10 days, we add one more. One more to the routine, one more to settle that score and go to war with our core. The next exercise I want to introduce to you is called, formerly known as the Russian twist. Beautiful maneuver, working your obliques, your side panels, whatever you want to call them. That's what's going to be working on. I'm going to set the new variations for the beginners, the intermediates, and the advanced. Find yourself, see where you're at, and let's get it done. Very, very simple maneuver that I want you to do, and it's just basically twist your body each time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moving the full body, keeping your legs on the floor. If you want to make it harder, lean back just a little bit and keep twisting your full body, perfectly touching your hands on the floor. Make it harder, you want to lean back just a bit and twist, touch, twist, twist, twist. Working this area.